Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey there, my name is Joseph. I am a Salesforce consultant at Solved, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing how Salesforce's innovative platform known as Agentforce is revolutionizing industries and what industries benefit the most from these new autonomous AI agents. So what exactly is Agentforce? Essentially, it's Salesforce's platform that empowers businesses to create, customize, and deploy autonomous AI agents. These agents are designed to assist both employees and customers, automating tasks and streamlining workflows. A key advantage is that it enables the creation of these powerful AI tools with minimal coding, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Agentforce offers a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it significantly increases efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for employees. It provides 24/7 availability, ensuring continuous support for customers. Its scalability allows businesses to adapt to fluctuating workloads. Moreover, it enhances customer satisfaction by delivering personalized experiences, and seamlessly integrates with existing Salesforce platform and fosters a collaborative environment between humans and AI. These benefits combine to create a powerful tool for any forward-thinking organization. While Agentforce offers broad benefits across various sectors, some industries stand to gain particularly significant advantages. We'll focus on industries with high customer service demands, complex operational processes, and a strong emphasis on sales and marketing. These are areas where the impact of Agentforce is most pronounced. Let's start with customer service intensive industries. In retail, Agentforce can automate routine inquiries, provide personalized product recommendations, and streamline order management. In travel and hospitality, it can manage reservations, offer personalized service recommendations, and handle real-time feedback. In healthcare, it can schedule appointments, answer patient inquiries, and manage medical records. And in financial services, it can enhance process efficiency, improve compliance, and strengthen client relationships. In each of these industries, Agentforce helps to significantly improve customer experience. Moving on to sales and marketing, Agentforce can be a game changer. It can automate lead generation and nurturing, provide personalized sales coaching and enablement, optimize marketing campaigns, and facilitate personalized customer engagement. By automating these processes, businesses can focus on strategic initiatives and drive revenue growth. Industries with complex operations such as manufacturing and automotive also benefit greatly from Agentforce. In manufacturing, it can optimize workflows, perform predictive maintenance, and manage complex supply chains. In the automotive industry, it can reduce vehicle breakdowns, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance dealership operations. These applications demonstrate the versatility of Agentforce in managing intricate operational processes. The education sector is another area where Agentforce can make a significant impact. It can handle student inquiries, automate enrollment processes, provide personalized academic assistance, and leverage data-driven insights for resource allocation. This helps to streamline administrative tasks and improve the overall student experience. Agentforce is a powerful tool for driving efficiency and growth across a wide range of industries. Its ability to automate tasks, enhance customer experiences, and provide data-driven insights make it a valuable asset for any organization. As an AI-driven autonomous agents continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly transform the way businesses operate. If you're looking to leverage the power of Agentforce and transform your business with Salesforce solutions, Solved is here to help. As a leading Salesforce consulting company, Solved can guide you through every step of implementation and optimization. To learn more about us, you can visit our website at solved.cloud or connect with us on LinkedIn. And explore our video content on YouTube, where we discuss more about Agentforce and different tools using Agentforce, such as Data Cloud, MuleSoft, and so forth. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.